So hello, fellow sofa cleaners, carpet cleaners. I just want to let you know, man, in your spare time, try to relax, try to do things that make your mind feel at ease. Like what I do, I travel. I got other businesses, so if you see me in a Ferrari or something like that, just know that it's maybe pertaining to another business. You also could do it in carpet cleaning as well. You see where I'm at? I'm in a beautiful Sugarland area. You see the nice houses in the back. I'm just on I guess a pier or whatever. If you can see it behind me, see the ducks in the water. So sometimes you just have to enjoy nature, man. And that's what motivates me, just enjoying life, enjoying nature, and just trying to be the best version of myself. So I hope you was inspired. I just want to let you know, keep going, and I'm on the path to rebuild my carpet cleaning empire, and so watch for the come up. Forget the past is over, reveal the gas as time passes. See through eyes that's so